Good stuff. Where are we going?
We are going to the most dangerous.
I didn't work. I hit the button, it didn't work. Pull on it. It worked that time. Only the greatest for this machine.
Wasn't even ready for me.
You just say no.
Yes, it is.
Say no. No. We don't want a car wash. It's clean. What do you mean? I wouldn't be ready for it. Ha!
I didn't know you could do that.
Publix lunch.
Can't go wrong with Publix lunch. Wow, what a community. We're here at the dangerous city that you ever heard of, Southern Florida. Okay, you don't want to be here, but today we're gonna be here. Let me drop this.
Oh, yeah. Don't want someone to take it.
I need that. Let's try. Alright, we're right at 23. Let's go down to 20. Someone's here.
Who'd that be?
That's good.
It's a Beamer. You're gonna scratch it.
Alright, about to do a few laps.
Just drop me off on the corner.
Oh no, you're going for a ride, baby. Let's go.
I think I might. This car fucked up. Better put my seatbelt on so I don't die.
Not today. The compound is the easiest place to learn how to drift. If
Oh,
you're
yeah.
a new drifter,
Yeah, come
I
here.
recommend coming to
Yeah,
the
come here.
compound.
Like that pothole right there is perfect. Perfect for brand new drifters.
Yeah. Good thing someone's got their seatbelt. Dang, all this shit in the back.
Let me out! How's it feel?
Great, I love these tires.
Yeah?
So, I'm keeping them.
What? Oh, yeah. Oh, you're stealing the tires I paid for? Tires back.
Get your ass in here. I'm going for a cool down. So, feel good. Couple warm ups in. I feel like I'm gonna get, you know, more smooth with it the more I drive a little bit more, but definitely gets the legs shaking. You know what I'm saying? come here often? No, I can tell.
Pop that tire. Looks like a front tire.
Front tire.
Yes.
I think I ran over some glass or something.
I heard something go cling, 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 and then you spun out and it goes psh. I think you dropped the tire off the road and it shattered it. It popped it. Let's go in the pits.
This is why we bring spares.
Exactly. Garbage.
Well, I'm glad it wasn't the back because I was like, oh, there goes his newly borrowed wheels.
What'd we do?
So we didn't pop a tire. We broke the wheel.
Oh yeah, hey, the tire's still good though.
Yeah, so you owe me $600.
Bro, wait, those are my wheels.
But you took my $800 wheels. Now I'm returning them. So
For
now you owe me-
reference, she had Gray's 57D, Gray's? She had Ray's 57DRs on her car. And I put the XXRs on there so this wouldn't happen to those.
Dang.
So you can thank me later. ASMR. Oh yeah, it's nice. All right, cool. Get to changing a tire.
Yeah. Well, I think we got spares. Oh shit.
You're on
Where's
the keys right here. Look, you need that.
Uh.
You need to slip that on first.
You were waiting for that, weren't you?
Yes, I will. All of the above.
Is this one good?
Yeah, flip it over. Oh, what?
Ah!
You fucked both of them up.
No, actually, I think this was from you when you were drifting last weekend.
No,
Yes, sir.
no,
Yes.
no.
Mm-hmm. I can't do both at the same time. It doesn't work like that.
My sister in Christ.
Mm-mm.
When I checked these wheels last week, they were fine.
No, sir. I don't think you checked well enough. It happened twice in one day. It just doesn't work like that. Sorry.
I don't think you understand how
You said
driving a car off the road
$700.
works.
Welcome to the compound.
Yeah, put that wheel on. Does the car need to go?
David. This is what David does.
Yo, that's how that helps. I'm a skinny guy. So you use your feet and it helps you position it. There you go. Good. J-O-B. All right, let's go. Put the car down. Let's go. Right there.
No, sir.
Lug nuts are a myth. You don't need those.
See, I knew it. I knew it. You were the one that put the wheel.
How do lug nuts have anything to do with breaking the wheel?
Simple math.
Simple math. No lug nuts, wheel broken.
2 plus 0 doesn't equal 0.
It equals 2.
Exactly. 2.
This must be some of that like Spanish math that I don't understand.
It's supposed to equal 2.
Dos y dos equal cero.
2 y 2 equals 4.
Oh.
Unless you're multiplying. It's still 4. It's still 4.
Can you hurry up?
Like I said, I'm not perfect.
You know, if you put those spline nuts on this and then you screw it on there, it makes it easier.
Like
Here,
that.
you're welcome, yeah. That's good.
Those are on this sweeper.
Oh, that's a clutch out.
Oh,
All right, let's see. Let's get out right here.
it's gotta be around here.
Oh, no, here, I'll look for it. Oh, what'd you find?
This is from when you were drifting last week.
Oh, yeah, so it's been there in the road all week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got the drone to prove it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Here, no, save that. That's a treasure. Yeah, so, yeah, that's been in the road all week. All the people that drifted that day. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. And then you just drove off the road over here somewhere.
It's the equation to 2 plus 0.
Yeah, it's 2 plus you broke the wheel. I heard more clanging over here.
Back there, yeah.
Yeah. Ah. I heard this when she was drifting. I heard she must have ran over something.
Yep. Do you think that this is what could have popped the tire too?
Well, the tire just blew off the bead of the wheel once it had nothing to hold it on.
It was already breaking.
That's the two pieces, right?
Yeah, it was already breaking. Look at this.
That's just its scrape. That's the inside of the wheel. This is the outside. That's the outside of the wheel.
It's been drifted on.
All right, back to the pits. I want to match it up. Ah.
Even home, I just got home. And then he was like, get ready. I'm like, oh yeah, I forgot about that.
So that's where that's supposed to be.
But we're still missing.
You know, like on your first run, I'm gonna sample back some of the footage. I heard you driving and I heard this go across the car. I heard while you were driving, I go, she must have just hit a bottle or something. Nope, it was that wheel and then that one.
No sir. That was. We're gonna do the sweeper.
Yeah, practice sweeper.
Let's do it.
Got all the Koenigs on there now. Probably looking pretty good other than the gray side skirt. Just push it in. There you go, fixed. And I think it broke a zip tie. You're fine, don't pull it off, it'll stay on. It's just floppy. Here, just shut your door, it'll be okay. That was good, yeah.
You got it?
No, I didn't. I was distracted. We gotta fix this, mount it correctly. But yeah, you're getting good. You got this next one though, for sure.
Nah, yeah, you're too late.
Hell yeah.
That's the end of the day. Hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe and watch the next ones.